In the Super Mario Fanlox world.
What a boring day. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, I got a call. Yeah? Baby Mario, yes, I will come over to your house. Oh my god, we're going over to Baby Mario's house. It's gonna be just so much fun. Oh, look. Whoa! Whoa! Oh.
In Mario Plushier's world.
Oh. And don't come out, Nabbit. You're grounded for spilling all those cheeses on the ground. And don't only watch basketball. Oh, come on. You have to be kidding me, huh? Wah! Wah! Oh my god. Who the heck are you? Wait, you look familiar. Oh, who are you? You're purple. Hey, wait. You look like Blue Monkey from Super Mario Fanlox! Oh my god, how'd you get here? I don't know, which world is this? This is Mario Plushiers! Oh, okay, I know how I got back in here now. Did an iPad. That iPad? Yep, maybe if I touch it, it will bring me back home. Huh, I didn't think you were leaving so early, but okay. Alright, try touching it. Okay. But nothing's happening. Maybe try searching up his channel. Okay. Okay, I'm on his channel, so now what? I'll just try click on the episode you are in. Okay, I'll just find one. Alright, I found it. Click on it. No, not that, not Chucky. Chucky's weird. So you'll bring you back after we watch it. Okay, so touch it. It's not bringing me back! Leave me a comment, #BlueMonkey. Okay, we can try that. Alright, there we go. And... Alright, maybe it'll bring me back now. Let's try it. Sizzle, sizzle. Oh, I'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Bye. Gone. Gone. Forever. Forever. No. I'm just kidding. He's fine. I'm grounded. Ah!
In Super Mario Fanlox world.
Well, I guess it's time to go to Baby Mario's.